Hi all, I'm back again with another makeup look which I named it as Blue Lagoon Eye Makeup. If you're new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Preeti. I'm a professional makeup artist. For this eye makeup I have used all shades of blue, and that's why I named it as Blue Lagoon. So if you're wondering where you can wear this type of makeup, then let me tell you, you can wear this for a pool party, for a theme party, for a cocktail party and beach parties as well. It actually depends on how you carry this look. So without any further delay, let's get straight to the makeup tutorial. So before I start my makeup, I am applying lip balm from Blue Heaven, and it tastes so yum. Wow, it actually tastes like bubblegum. To moisturize my face, here I'm using Wow Skin Science Hyrualic Acid Water Gel for hydration. Now it's gel based, so this is also going to work as a primer. So yeah, today I'll be using face oil as my face was little dry. So here I'm using Plum, Grape Seed and Buckthorn Glow Face Serum, and I'm going to massage it till it's completely soaked into my skin. So as usual, I'll first start with my eyes, and to set my eye base, I'm using Maybelline New York Age Rewind Concealer, and I'll be using MAC Cosmetics brush. It's actually a foundation brush, and I'm going to buff this concealer with this brush and set this with a pressed powder. So for today's eye makeup, I'm going to use this beautiful palette from Tart Cosmetics, which is Rainforest of the Sea, High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. And from this palette, I have actually swatched the lightest blue shade, which is called Surf Up. And I'm going to apply this on my crease line area and blend it using a fluffy brush. So now I'll be using this beautiful blue that's dyed in, which has little shimmer, and I'm using a new brush from Beige Cosmetics, Marble Brush number 8, which is a shader brush, and I'll be using it on my crease line area just below the previous shade, and will blend both of these shades. Now to cut the crease, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and using a flat brush, I'll start cutting my crease. Here I am cutting the crease from the duct area and just going along with my crease shape. You just have to remember that you have to cut the crease not exactly from your crease line, but always cut the crease above the crease line. This will make your eye look bigger and longer. Now after getting the exact shape, I'll be wiping off the extra concealer from the lids so that it's all clean, and then I'm going to reapply the concealer. Now from the same palette, I'll be swatching another beautiful blue shimmery shade that's deep blue, and apply it using the same flat brush all over my eyelids. To get the little water effect, I have swatched a silver shimmery eyeshadow, which is too lit, with my finger, and I'll be applying it on the mid of my eyelids. For the liner, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Black Liquid Liner, and I'll be creating here a wing liner. And for my lashes, I'll be using Maybelline Full Fan Effect Mascara. And here today I'll be using a fake eyelashes, as I want this look to look a little dramatic. As you can see, I have a lot of pigmentation, so to cancel out this, I'll be using an orange corrector, and I'm using Trial on 303, and with the help of brush, I'll first apply it wherever I have pigmentation, and then using a wet sponge, which is from White Sheet, and this is actually my second purchase from White Sheet, as I have already used one sponge and I really liked it. I generally prefer testing my products, and if I really liked it, only then I share my experience on this platform. So I have upped my concealer with the sponge, and now I'm using NYX Liquid Foundation, and truly speaking, I don't love this foundation, but as I need to finish this foundation, so that's the reason I'm using it. Otherwise I'm not a big fan of this foundation. To conceal my under eyes, I'll be using again my all-time favorite Maybelline Age Rewind Pen. And I will also apply it on my forehead, bridge of my nose and chin area and blend it very well. Now to make sure that I don't get crease on my under eyes, I'll immediately set it with a translucent powder from colorbar. For my powder, blush and highlighter, I'm using again another beautiful palette from Tarte Cosmetics. That's the Tartiest Pro Glow and Blush palette. And for contouring, I have swatched a bronzed shade that's Solo and will apply it on my hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, and also I'll be contouring my double chin. So my eyes are still not complete. For my waterline, I'm using a white Kajal pencil from Miss Clay, and I'll also be applying a Maybelline Kajal just below the waterline and blend it with a clean brush. To set this Kajal, I'll be placing a blue shade that's deep blue from the same eyeshadow palette. So last but not the least, I'm going to swatch a blue glitter eyeshadow Hyrualic and apply it on my tear duct area, and will blend this along with my black Kajal. For my lips, I'm using a lipstick palette from Maybelline Color Contour Palette, Blushed Bombshell. I actually got this from Algeria and I just simply love the shades of this palette. So I have picked the mauve shade and will apply it all over my lips, and will also apply a pink liquid lipstick on my inner part of my lips to give it a ombre effect. And yeah, to save all this look, I'll be spraying my makeup setting spray from Tarte, and it actually smells like fennel that's soft. And that's the finished look for the day. If you all love this look, then do like, share my video with your friends and family, and also do ask them to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.